Hello everyone, and welcome to the amazing world of supplements. Imagine a world where tiny helpers give your body an extra boost. That's what supplements do. They're like special ingredients that help our bodies stay healthy and strong. Supplements come in many forms like pills, powders, and even tasty gummies. They contain important nutrients that our bodies need like vitamins, minerals, and proteins. These nutrients are essential for many bodily functions from energy production to bone health. Think of supplements like puzzle pieces. Our bodies need all the right pieces to function at their best. Sometimes we don't get all the nutrients we need from our diet alone. That's where supplements come in to fill the gaps and complete the puzzle. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and learn more about these helpful additions to our lives. Filling the gaps. In a perfect world, we would get all the nutrients we need from a balanced and healthy diet. Our meals would be rich in vitamins, minerals, and all the essential nutrients our bodies require to function at their best. However, life can get busy, and our diets might fall short of providing everything our bodies crave. The hustle and bustle of daily life often lead us to make quick, less nutritious food choices. Stress, work commitments, and convenience can all contribute to nutritional gaps. That's where supplements step in to lend a helping hand. They act as a safety net, ensuring that even when our diet isn't perfect, our bodies still get the nutrients they need. They bridge the nutritional gaps, ensuring our bodies have the building blocks for optimal health. By providing essential vitamins and minerals, supplements help maintain our energy levels, support our immune system, and promote overall well-being. For example, vegetarians and vegans might use supplements to get enough vitamin B12, which is primarily found in animal products. This ensures they can maintain their dietary choices without compromising their health. Certain life stages, such as pregnancy or older age, might increase our need for specific nutrients. During pregnancy, the body requires more folic acid and iron, while older adults might need more calcium and vitamin D to maintain bone health. Supplements can help meet these increased demands, supporting the body during these crucial times. They provide the extra boost needed to ensure both mother and baby are healthy during pregnancy and help older adults maintain their vitality and strength. Remember, supplements are not a replacement for a healthy lifestyle. They should be used to complement, not substitute, a nutritious diet and regular physical activity. They are meant to complement a balanced diet and regular exercise, helping us strive for overall well-being. By integrating supplements into our daily routine, we can better support our health goals and ensure our bodies get the comprehensive care they deserve. Vitamins are like tiny superheroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep our bodies running smoothly. They are organic compounds that our bodies need in small amounts to function correctly. Each vitamin plays a unique and essential role. Vitamin D, for instance, helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties, helping us fight off infections. From supporting our energy levels to maintaining healthy skin and vision, vitamins are indispensable for our overall health and well-being. They are like the spark plugs that keep our body's engines running smoothly. Remember to choose your vitamin supplements carefully and consult with your doctor to determine the right dosage for your individual needs. Just like vitamins, minerals are essential nutrients that our bodies need to function correctly. However, unlike vitamins, which are organic, minerals are inorganic substances. Minerals are the building blocks of our bones, teeth, and even our blood. Calcium, for example, is crucial for strong bones and teeth, while iron is essential for healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout our bodies. From regulating our heartbeat to maintaining a healthy fluid balance, minerals play a vital role in numerous bodily functions. They are like the sturdy foundations upon which our health is built. Just like with vitamins, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before starting any mineral supplements to ensure you're getting the right amount for your individual needs. Section 5. Protein power, building muscles, and more. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues in our bodies. It is the foundation of our muscles, helping them grow stronger and more resilient. Without adequate protein, our bodies would struggle to maintain muscle mass, especially during periods of intense physical activity or recovery from injury. It's like the construction worker of our cells, constantly working to keep everything in tip-top shape. Imagine tiny builders inside you tirelessly assembling and repairing the structures that keep you moving and functioning every day. These protein builders are essential for maintaining not just muscles but overall cellular health. Our muscles, skin, hair, and nails are primarily made up of protein. This means that protein isn't just about strength, it's also about beauty and health. Healthy, glowing skin, strong nails, and shiny hair all rely on a steady supply of protein to stay in their best condition. It also plays a vital role in producing enzymes and hormones that regulate many bodily functions. These proteins act as messengers and catalysts, ensuring that our metabolism, immune system, and other critical processes run smoothly. Without them, our bodies would be unable to perform many of the functions necessary for life. While we can get protein from various food sources like meat, beans, and lentils, it's important to have a balanced diet that includes a variety of these sources. Each type of protein-rich food offers different benefits and nutrients, contributing to a well-rounded and healthy diet. Some individuals, such as athletes or those recovering from injuries, might need an extra protein boost. For them, getting enough protein can be crucial for optimal performance and recovery. This is why protein shakes and bars are popular among those who need to ensure they meet their higher protein requirements. That's where protein supplements like whey protein or soy protein can come in handy. These supplements provide a convenient way to increase protein intake without having to consume large amounts of food. They are especially useful for people with busy lifestyles or specific dietary needs. Remember, more protein doesn't always equal better. It's about finding the right balance for your body. Consuming too much protein can lead to unwanted side effects and doesn't necessarily translate to better muscle growth or health. Too much protein can strain our kidneys. This is particularly important for individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. Overloading on protein can cause the kidneys to work harder than they should, potentially leading to long-term damage. It's best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine your individual protein needs. They can help you create a plan that ensures you get the right amount of protein for your specific health goals and conditions, making sure you stay healthy and strong. Section 6. Supplements are not magic pills. While supplements can be helpful in bridging nutritional gaps, it's important to remember that they are not a quick fix or a magic solution for all health concerns. Supplements are meant to complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. They work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Taking supplements without addressing underlying dietary or lifestyle factors is like putting a bandage on a cut without cleaning it first. It might mask the problem temporarily, but won't address the root cause. Remember, supplements are not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. They are tools that can help us optimize our health when used appropriately and in conjunction with other healthy habits. Section 7. Talking to your doctor, a must before you start. Before adding any supplements to your routine, it's crucial to have a conversation with your doctor. They can assess your individual needs, consider any underlying health conditions, and advise you on the appropriate supplements and dosages. Some supplements can interact with medications or have unintended side effects. Your doctor can help you navigate these potential risks and ensure that the supplements you choose are safe and beneficial for you. They can also help you determine if you need supplements in the first place. In some cases, simple dietary changes might be enough to address any nutritional deficiencies. Remember, your doctor is your partner in health. They are there to guide you and provide personalized recommendations based on your unique needs and circumstances. Section 8. Choosing wisely. Quality and safety first. The world of supplements can be overwhelming with countless brands and formulations available. It's important to be a discerning consumer and prioritize quality and safety when making your choices. Look for supplements that have been tested and certified by reputable third-party organizations, such as USP or NSF. These certifications indicate that the product meets specific quality standards and contains the ingredients listed on the label. Choose supplements from reputable brands with transparent manufacturing practices. Research the company, read reviews, and don't hesitate to contact the manufacturer if you have any questions about their products. Remember, not all supplements are created equal. By being informed and selective, you can ensure that you're choosing high-quality supplements that are safe and effective. Section 9. Listen to your body, supplements, and you. As you embark on your supplement journey, it's essential to pay attention to your body and how it responds. Supplements can offer a range of benefits, from boosting your immune system to improving your overall well-being. However, it's crucial to remember that they are not a one-size-fits-all solution. Every individual is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Factors such as age, gender, lifestyle, and existing health conditions can all influence how your body reacts to different supplements. Start with one supplement at a time and gradually introduce others if needed. This methodical approach helps you pinpoint which supplements are beneficial and which might cause adverse reactions. This allows you to monitor how your body reacts to each supplement and identify any potential side effects. It's important to be patient and give your body time to adjust to each new supplement. Keep a journal to track your supplement intake, dosage, and any changes you experience. Documenting your journey can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions about your health. This information can be helpful for you and your doctor to assess the effectiveness of the supplements and make any necessary adjustments. Regular consultations with your healthcare provider ensure that your supplement regimen is safe and tailored to your specific needs. Remember, supplements are meant to support your health journey, not dictate it. They should complement a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, not replace them. By listening to your body, making informed choices, and working closely with your healthcare provider, you can navigate the world of supplements safely and effectively. Always prioritize your well-being and stay informed about the latest research and recommendations in the field of nutrition and supplements.